Hey everyone, welcome to NutriFresh. Today I am going to tell you all how to make vanilla custard strawberry shots. So let's start. Firstly we are going to prepare the gelatin mixture. For that we will need a sachet of gelatin powder, 2 cups of boiling water. Stir it. You can also prepare jelly as per the instructions. Once the jelly is lukewarm, we are going to take a muffin mold and keep the glasses a bit slantingly. Into that we are going to add in our cakes. It's totally optional, a slice of cake in each glass. Then we are going to pour the gelatin mixture inside it. After doing that, we are going to let it set in the refrigerator. Then I took 2 cups of milk in a saucepan, 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, custard powder 1.5 tablespoons. Stir it on low flame until the custard thickens. Once the custard thickens, we are going to let it cool down a bit. Into that I poured 1/4 cup of cream, 1/2 cup of thinly sliced strawberries. I'm going to mix it with the spatula. Now once my jelly is firm, I'm going to check it. Alright, my jelly is totally firm now. After this, I'm going to pour the custard mixture that I prepared earlier inside. I kept the glasses a bit slantingly so that it creates a nice pattern. Once I pour my custard inside all the cups, I'm going to slice some strawberries and top it off on each cup. If you all like this video, then please subscribe to my channel, follow my pages on Facebook and on Instagram. I will give a link to all my socials in the description box below. Hope you all will have a great day. We'll meet you all in the next video. Stay safe. Bye.